Hello.
Hello.
Okay, so the lift is a Kone. There are two of them. It says it holds 13 people each. You need to use your key card as a security mechanism. And you would comfortably get a wheelchair or a pushchair in here quite easily. Now it says to go that way to the bedroom, but if you do, you go all the way around the block. This is the much quicker way. Right, let's get some electric and some lights on the situation. Welcome to the City Hotel in Gouda, or Gouda. I can't really say it properly, but it's got a bit of a when you say the G. I'm in the Netherlands, so I've left Belgium now, in the Netherlands for 2 nights in this very lovely room. 2 of us are staying here. Booked with booking.com, and we've paid €289.66, which is very expensive, but we wanted to come to Gouda, and this was the only hotel in town pretty much, so we've had to pay what we've had to pay. Right, I'm going to talk you through what I've got, and this room feels really tall for some reason, and I'm going to just point you back towards the door I've just come in, and that door must be at least 10 feet tall. I'm 6 foot tall. That's a big door. No wonder it feels tall in this room. Right, so upon walking into the room, you've got this open plan wardrobe affair just here. It's got 5 coat hangers on this side, and it's got 5 coat hangers on the other side, in between which is a full length mirror for checking your tall self out, and shelving on top, which to a Dutch person, that's not high up at all. That's just an easy reach. You've got your electric key card in just there, and we have a mystery door just here. We'll come to that in a second. Moving swiftly on, there is a coffee making machine just here with some coffee pods, which I'll have a go with later on. You've got a little menu with the prices of things that you can order. So mineral water is $3.35, a Coca-Cola is $3.35. Heineken draft is $3.65. I wouldn't drink Heineken though, disgusting. I like proper beer. We've also got a Bentley kettle, which I have to confess, we've nicked from the corridor. We didn't have one in the room and we saw some in the corridor, so you know what, we've got one now. We're not stealing it, it's just a borrow. Anyway, down here is a very nice, large and robust luggage storage area. I guess that's a drawer underneath. Yep, really nice quality actually, good smooth action. We've got cupboards down here. Oh, that's a fridge, so that's really handy to know. So we've got a fridge in the room and a safe just there, and storage underneath, so nice to have a safe, one that you put your own code in. Everything seems really good quality. It does seem very, very good. Now this is a tall desk, this is a Dutch desk. I mean, this is almost like being stood up in a bar desk. That's a tall stool just there in front of the Philips TV. So this could be your tall working station. You've got a plug socket down there, which is going to be handy. And you've got 2 plug sockets up here. So if you've got your laptop, etc., excellent stuff. So this is good, nicely thought out. And then there's a little buffet, footstool, whatever you want to call it, down there also, as well as some storage space just here. Got a lamp just here, very nice, and then the bed. Now the bed said it was twins. It wouldn't offer me a double option, but to me that's a double. I mean, that's what you get in a lot of hotels. That looks great to me, and it looks nice and plump as well. To the left of the bed is the disappointing bit. I requested a room on a high floor with a nice view. Now I did get a room on the 2nd floor, and I've got an internal courtyard view, and that is a bit disappointing. I would have liked to look out at the canal. So that's a bit rubbish. I'm disappointed about that. But never mind, I'm not going to let it spoil my holiday. Down here next to the bed to the left is 2 plug sockets on this side, and then you've got light just there. Very good. You've got the light control in the middle of the bed also. And then we have this good night in lots of different languages on the bed from your room attendant. 2 more plug sockets on this side so you can comfortably charge whilst you're sleeping, and a pair of chairs. I like this. 2 chairs, 2 decent chairs, and a coffee table so you can sit down and have a coffee, have a sandwich, whatever. Use that social space. I'm not quite sure what this character is, but hello, and if it's relevant to Gouda, however you say it. But there you go. Right, so moving around here, we've got a sink area and towels. So this is an extension of the bathroom, which is quite an open plan affair. So we've got hand soap, shaving mirror, plug socket, an extra light there. Oh, that's the light control for the main room, and this must be the light control for there, for the mirror. Now there's another plug socket there too, so 2 more plug sockets. You've got a Valera hairdryer for those people who wish to preen their bouffants, and a hook. We like hooks, they're handy. So what goes through the mystery tall archway? So through the mystery tall archway, we've got hair and body wash because it's a shower. No door, it is straight shower. So it's a wet room style shower. There you go. So, right, okie dokie. So the mystery door round here, I'm guessing then, must be the toilet. Let's have a look. So yes, this is the toilet. So it is a straight toilet, dual flush, Geberit, and you've got 2 loo rolls just there, bog brush and bag. Now ordinarily that's everything you need, but I'm going to get on my high horse now because once again I've come across a hotel with a separate toilet and no sink in the toilet area. This room needs a small modest sink for washing hands for hygiene reasons. Otherwise everybody that uses that toilet then uses that door handle, and in effect you might as well wipe each other's bottoms because that's what germs you are getting. It's not very good. You need to do something about this, City Hotel. All hotels need to do something about this. So a small corner sink over there, or a toilet built out with a cistern above it and a sink in it would have been the easy and obvious solution. Something ought to happen really for hygiene reasons. Come on, COVID taught us lots of lessons, one of them being wash your bloody hands. Right, anyway, moving swiftly on. I'm only here for a couple of days. I'll get a few shots around the ground floor area of the hotel, corridors, lifts, etc. We haven't booked breakfast, but we may have one. It's quite expensive at €18.75 each, so I'm not committing myself to that. I'm from Yorkshire. Right, I'll catch you later.
The film that you've just watched is a Moss Travel Media production, and you can find more like them by going to www.mosstravel.tv. Thank you so much for supporting my YouTube channel and watching my film. It's hugely appreciated. If you haven't already done so, please subscribe to my YouTube channel by going to youtube.com/Stuart Moss. Hit the red subscribe button. When you've done that, a little bell will appear. If you hit the bell, then you'll also get notifications about any future travel films which I upload. If you like my travel films, then you might also like my second channel, which is about home and garden. Please have a look for that channel. You'll find it at www.mosshomeandgarden.co.uk, and if you like what you see, please give that a subscribe also. If you'd like to connect with me as Moss Travel Media on other social media, then you'll find me on Facebook at facebook.com/Moss Travel. That's the page. And if you'd like to connect with the profile, then the profile is Moss Travelog. If you'd like to connect with me on Instagram to see my travel photography, where I'm up to, what stories I'm telling, then go to instagram.com/StuMoss or do a search for user Stu Moss. If you'd like to connect on Twitter, I'm at Moss Travel TV. On Pinterest, I'm Moss Travel Media, which is pinterest.co.uk/Moss Travel TV. On Tumblr, I'm stuartmoss.tumblr.com, or just do a search for Moss Travel Tumblr. On WordPress, I'm wordpress.com/view/MossTravelTV.wordpress.com, or do a search for Moss Travel Media on WordPress. And on vContactor, you can find me by going to vk.com/Moss Travel Media, or doing a search for Stuart Moss. If you'd like to contact me about film usage or any other issue, please just email me on mosstraveltv@gmail.com. And once again, thank you for watching and for your support. I really, really do appreciate it. I wish you all the best of days, happy travels and bon voyage.